Wondering how to pay your staff? Or are you tired of paying multiple beneficiaries one after the other? Worry no more. UBA's internet banking platform has got all the solutions to your bulk payment needs with just a single file. To get started, can you log on to ibank.ubagroup.com. Click on Menu. Select Transactions. Choose File Upload. Select the product type. Fill in the details on screen and click on the file format to download the file upload template. Enter the records of the beneficiaries using the file ledgers as a guide. Save the file on your PC. Go back to internet banking to browse and upload the completed file. Click Continue. Confirm details of transaction and enter secure pass to submit. With this, one can make bulk payments to UBA's prepaid card or any bank account in Ghana. Thank you.
UBA, Africa's global bank.